and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I do anything Disney. And I am in the airport. We're on our way to Miami, not Orlando. So we have a connecting flight over in Dallas, maybe Houston. I should know this. I think it's Dallas. Our flight leaves at 5:20, so we woke up at 3 a.m. We'll see how that takes us. So next time you see me, I might be like, hi. But we're really excited. Here we go. Alright, we are in Dallas. We just arrived. Kitty watched.
I was like, what did I watch?
She had already seen it. I love it. I kept like eyeing it because I was like,
She spoiled the second one for me though.
okay, it's been so many years. It's not my fault. And then I watched Marry Me.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was fine. And then we didn't know if we were supposed to stay on the plane because she said if you're going to Florida, you have to stay. And we were like, is that us? Because Miami is in Florida. It wasn't us. It was
Pensacola.
Yeah. So now we're down here in the food court area, and there's different options. There's Chick-fil-A, Peasy's, Whataburger, Dunkin', Moe's, and a walk place.
Although this one's a little too long considering it's Pride Month. Sorry guys.
True. But my stomach can't handle a lot of this stuff, and I'm having a really bad stomach day. So chicken is the safest way. Safest route. That's true. Okay, so we're in the plane. Kat got this seat because I got it last time. And this should be like 3-hour flight?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. Should be good. We ate. It was perfect time. Like we had time to get it, eat, pee, and then get on the plane. Yeah, perfect. At the Miami airport for maybe over an hour.
Yeah.
The suitcases never came down. Like we waited forever. They finally came down.
All of the suitcases for the domestic flights were all going to the same one.
Yeah. So you're all going downstairs. Same one, number 9. I don't know if it'll still be number 9, but number 9. All of them from Southwest. So we were all waiting. And then the Lyft driver got a little lost, so we waited more. But we're at the hotel, so I'm gonna show you, what is this hotel called?
Radisson Red.
Radisson Red. Kitty was the one who did it all, but I'll put the link below. But I'm gonna show you what the hotel looks like, and then we're gonna freshen up. And then there's a restaurant downstairs, so we might check that out. And then I'll show you around the hotel. Yeah, all right. I don't know. Okay, let me show you. So we are 4:32. Oh, a ghost! If you come to the left, you see the bathroom, and this is what Kitty really liked about it. It was a flamingo tile here, so she was excited to get one. The shower looks interesting. We'll see how it goes. There's not really a door, so you just can't super dance in there. You know what I mean?
And the floor, is this carpet?
I don't know. It's really soft.
No, it's not. Because I just took off my.
It's really soft.
It's textured tile.
So here's the sink, and here's me looking a little bit wild here in the Miami heat. And then towels, the toilet, nothing super exciting, but it's clean and it does its job. Yeah, and it looks very clean. So did I say clean already? Yeah. And then you come in, and this is a room, very spacious. So we have the 2 beds. You have interesting tables, some chargers there, light. Thermostat, that's nice. We have a couple closets that we will not use, but you have extra blankets up there. An iron, which I hate saying that one. Hangers, all of that stuff. And then here we have a safe, little waters, ice cube tray, and a mini fridge. Again, we're here for just tonight because we embark tomorrow. So this is just really for us to quick stop because we embark at 9:30. So we didn't want to fly in tomorrow and risk it. Here's the phone, remotes in a little package, another light, more charging. This is cat.
Did you see our second shower head?
Cat clim. It's interesting, right? Yeah.
can wash a dog in there. None of us wash what we could.
That should be my title. You could wash a dog. Non-smoking room, but coffee maker, TV, a chair. So it's small, but it's perfect for what we wanted.
Yeah.
And I'll show you downstairs because downstairs looks so cute and very hip. And it took, how far was it?
7 minutes from the airport.
Yeah, 7 minutes from the airport. The lift was $10 plus tip. So I don't know, however you want to say it. But yeah, I'll show you around downstairs in a little bit. We're just going to clean up. Okay, now that we've cooled down a little bit and peed. I really did not like the Miami airport. To be fair, we were there for like 5 minutes.
Why did we go this way?
You said this way. Oh, but let's show them the ice machine.
Okay. It is in a weird location. It's not a bad location. Stairs.
Huh. Anyways, but yeah, I didn't like the airport at all. It's very short, humid. Like
I could touch the ceiling. I'm 5'3".
there's no AC. So when we're waiting for the suitcases, you're just like sweating and humid and full of people.
And water was falling from the ceiling. Like,
Yeah.
not a lot, but you could see the drips coming down in one spot.
Yeah, so I don't know. I didn't get the best taste of the Miami airport. Sorry, Miami airport.
To be fair, they did have a storm surge this morning because of the hurricane that was in Mexico. I think it was like Greta or something.
Yeah.
Which is now turned into Storm Alex. That is rolling past.
Fast.
Keyword, because we are still making it on that cruise.
Yeah. So I don't know. But I just wanted to say my 2 cents because that was something that I was like, overall, all flights are really good. It was like 2 hours. Easy. We stopped. We got food, as you saw. Yeah. Here's the pool. We didn't go to it, but there's a pool. People in it. It looks a little dirty, but it has been raining a lot, and there's been a lot of wind, as you can see from the tree. So, yeah. Oh, look, there's like a lake or a swamp or what is that?
Bay?
Inlet? Yeah, there's something there. But yeah, anyways, we got food from. Okay, so we got drinks at the bar. We got 2 Malibu Cokes. Don't judge me until you try it. They're good.
They are good.
And it was, drum roll, $36 or something like that. $38. Like
Usually $40.
craziness. Always ask how much it is. I don't know why we always get so shy. I don't think we get shy. We're just like, it can't be that much, right? And then we order them and it is that much. And then we're like, oh, we should have asked. And then we ordered Postmates or DoorDash, one of those.
We ordered Latin Cafe.
We'll see how it
Good
goes.
packaging so far.
But we just wanted to come to the hotel,
It's stapled together.
rest our feet, watch a movie. But yeah, overall the bar was okay. Yeah. Morning. It's the next day. We slept okay. We both had like a lot of dreams and kept waking up.
Time zone difference.
Yeah, but overall it was good. I think our favorite things were the bathroom nightlight.
Yes.
And convenience of location. Right?
Yeah.
And then our least favorite was the bar situation. I don't think I told y'all, but like they sell like cans for $2, right? And this man walked up to the bar and they charge him $3, but if you go to the lobby they charge him $2. So I think they just charge whatever they want if they notice you don't know the price, which I didn't like. I didn't find that like a good business model, but whatever. And then it was supposed to be happy hour, but our 2 Malibu Cokes were $40, so not really happy hour prices. So I think the bar is just doing whatever they want because there's not really any like prices or anything like that. So just be careful with that. Overall, would you stay again? Yeah, me too. It was good. Just don't go to the bar, but it was good.
Very cute.
Yeah, today we are embarking on our cruise, so that's the next vlog that you'll see. I hope you enjoyed this travel vlog / hotel tour thing. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see the rest of our adventure. And until next time, adios.